Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox the Tchibo Cafissimo Pure Plus coffee machine. This is the black edition. We are going to unbox it, we are going to set it up, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's see what's in the box. This is the coffee machine. Let's take it out. So with this machine you can make coffee in three sizes: the espresso size, this medium size, the cream coffee, and the longer coffee one. You have to use these capsules, the Cafissimo capsules. I'm also going to show you those and how to install them in the machine. And here you can learn about the sizes of each coffee. Very important to take in mind when you put one of these capsules in the coffee machine, to use that program as well that is recommended for that capsule. So let's unbox the machine. It's pretty compact. This is how it looks. As I mentioned, this is the black edition. Small tray that goes here. So hold your coffee like this. Let's remove the tapes so we are going to be able to start to use it. The back as well. This is the water reservoir. This is where you can fill it up. Just put the lid back on. These. You can also remove the whole tank, and you have to remove this peel as well, so you can start using it. Where you have to add the capsules. There's a paper also. It shows you how to start up the first steps with the coffee. First, you do not have to add the capsule. First, you have to add water. That's where the max level is. Then add back in the water reservoir. Remove the tape, as I showed you. Then you can put your glasses in, install the capsules, and start your coffee. So I'm also going to show you how the capsules look and how to install them. So before using it, there are a few steps you have to take just to clean the machine out before using it. After you filled it up with water, you have to turn it on. And after turning it on, all the lights are going to blink, and afterwards it is going to just stay bright like that. And now you can choose the middle button to create the cream coffee. So this is the cream coffee button, but without a capsule. So it is just going to pour out some hot water. So all the internal parts are cleaned. And after you did this twice, you have to do it twice. You can start using the machine and start making coffee. Very important, you have to buy these exact Cafissimo capsules. This is what works with this machine. You can get lots of different flavors and lots of different coffee styles. This is the espresso one, the classic, and the cream coffee. So let's open one of these. One pack like this contains 10 capsules, so you can make 10 coffees with it. So this is the capsule, and you have to place it here just like that, and after that you have to close it like this. I'm not going to close it because I did not add the water yet. So let's add the water and see how it works. So as I told you, you have to fill it up to the max level like this. Add the lid back on and put the water reservoir in the back like this. Let's connect to the power outlet. And as we already added the capsule, let's close the lid like this. It pushes it in like that. Espresso. So this is, as it shows on the box, The espresso is the shortest style. I'm not sure how it shows. Yes, here it shows that you have to use the short coffee button, which is this one. Let's press it and let's see what happens. I have to press it again, yes. After your coffee, when you open it up, the capsule falls inside. There is a tank that contains all the empty capsules. And to empty that, you just have to pull this out and you are going to find the empty capsules here. You can take this off. There is a water tank, so all the excess water can drip down there. And when you empty it, you just have to push it back in and add the tray.